Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Forensic Mart. Today we are here with a case study related to forensic science, creating fake profiles. State Andhra Pradesh, City Hyderabad, Section of Law 67 Information Technology Act 2000 507-509 of Indian Penal Code. Background: the complainant received an obscene email from an unknown email ID. The complainant also noticed that obscene profiles, along with photographs of his daughter, had been uploaded on matrimonial sites. Investigation: the investigating officer examined and recorded the statement of the complainant and his daughter. The complainant stated that his daughter was divorced and her husband had developed a grudge against them due to the failure of the marriage. The investigating officer took the original email from the complainant and extracted the IP address of the same. From the IP address, he could ascertain a internet service provider. The IP address was traced to the cable internet service provider in the city area of Hyderabad. The said IP address was allotted to the former husband some time back, and his house was traced with the help of the staff of ISP. A search warrant was obtained and the house of the accused was searched. During the search operation, a desktop computer and a handycam were seized from the premises. A forensic IT specialist assisted the investigation officer in recovering emails which were sent to the complainant. Using the specialized disk search tool as well as photographs which had been posted on the internet from the computer and the handycam respectively, the seized computer and the handycam were sent to the Forensic Security Laboratory for further analysis. The expert of the Forensic Security Laboratory analyzed the material and issued a report stating that the hard disk of the seized computer contained text that was identical to that of the obscene email. The computer had been used to access the matrimonial websites on which the obscene profiles were posted. The computer had been used to access the email accounts that was used to send the obscene email. The handycam seized from the accused contained images identical to ones posted on the matrimonial websites. Based on the report of the FSL, it was clearly established that the accused had created fictitious email ID and had sent the obscene email to the complainant, posted the profiles of the victim along with her photographs on the matrimonial websites. Current status: based on the material and the oral evidence, a charge sheet has been filed against the accused and the case is currently pending trial. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such case studies, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.